Yep, and we'll hopefully be submitting before then. So, here we go. Hello, and welcome once again. Maybe you never even left, but I'm re-welcoming people just in case.
We don't have time for this.
All right, let's start.
We got time.
We don't have time.
We don't have time.
All right, so we've got all this cool stuff. We've got Save Our Game Tester. We've got a full game here.
I'm Phil.
You can do stuff. That's Phil. That's Jeffrey. I'm the person. Robot Alone.
I'm
No, wait, that's
Jeffrey.
later.
Wait, why am I waving? It's not on that screen anymore.
Is it not on? Hopefully it's not. Okay, good.
It's
All right.
Okay, we're good.
So we got all this. Now we worked on a little surprise.
You missed it. I just did a backflip. It was awesome.
We
It
did a
was
little bit of
awesome.
extra work that wasn't on the videos because we wanted to surprise you guys. So we're gonna merge in our surprise into the project right now. We're going to attempt to, at least. I'm going to see merge surprise into master. Let's see how this goes. Work. Well, that was. Oh, we have merge conflicts. What do we have? Animations. Why is there an animations.meta file? Oh, who cares?
Is that for a folder?
Who even cares?
Wait, do we even have an animations folder?
We didn't in the original. I don't know why it hasn't. Oh, maybe it's because maybe I did something stupid. It doesn't matter. We'll just resolve conflicts. Just I don't even care. Either of them will be fine. And we'll commit.
I'm glad that's all it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. It's just a metadata file.
We worked very hard not to mess that up. So first of all, I'm going to just let it compile, and then I'm going to see if there's any changes. Okay, so it actually was okay with the meta file name. All right, so here's our special boss level. So we have a terrifying new enemy type, or rather, several enemy types.
I think it's so funny. I think it's so funny. Blah, blah. Blah, blah.
All right, so we've got these guys.
So many of us.
Get the machine gun. No, gotta kill them all. Luckily, they only take one hit.
We need to make them take more than
You're
one
running
hit.
out of ammo.
No, I'm running out of ammo.
They need to take more
Switch
than one
to the
hit,
gun.
probably. Oh,
All right,
Or
Killed
spawn
me.
a lot faster.
yeah.
credits. Save Our Game Tester. Oh wait, it didn't go to credits. That's weird. Oh yeah, I know why. It's because it's not in the build settings. So we're gonna add this to. We're gonna call it. We'll just put it at the end of whatever we're doing. All right, save scene, save all, save project. So what we're going to be focusing on mostly on this episode is sound. There were also two other things that we wanted to do. What are they? One of them was we wanted
Credits?
to try. Okay, we need the credits. That's a really important one. Less important, but we might want to do it is fix the bug that enemies can sometimes fall out of the world.
Okay.
So if a bugged enemy falls out of the world, that's kind of hard to mark. So we're going to just like contain them in a secondary box.
With
somewhere.
the credits, we wanted to do that thing where we asked for the player's name
Yes.
at the beginning, and then we put it in QA.
Thank you for the reminder on that. So let's.
So are we doing sound or credits first?
Let's do.
We should do credits just to get it done.
Yeah, let's do the credits. So first of all, I've got a draft of the credits here. Checked in. What is it called? GitHub. VOGJam 01 documentation credits. So we're gonna grab this and throw it into.
I'm probably not going to change too much right on this episode.
That's fine. That's fine.
It's probably a good idea, actually. This is kind of like the
last thing.
the
yeah.
lockdown.
Yeah, code lockdown.
So we're gonna go main camera. I'm just going to make it so that the main camera is black here. We're going to. I'm going to go ahead and put this camera farther up so we don't see our bug with the player. I'm not going to fix that bug other than just hiding it.
Solo Wing said 3 spooky, 5 me.
What?
Like 2 spooky for me.
Oh, 3
spoopy.
Spoopy 5 me.
3
I like
spoopy. Yeah, it says spoopy, not spooky. I
Spoopy.
read it
Well,
as
maybe-
spooky.
Hang on, Spoopy. Spoopy, hang on. I couldn't even say it. I said Smoopy. So, we want a UI text. I'm just going to paste this stuff in it. We're going to look at the thing here. We're going to make this thing a lot bigger.
This level cracks me up now.
Gotta have it scale. We're going to, yeah, that'll be fine, I guess.
That's amazing. That's what that is. Amazing.
Best fit, and we will make the size of this thing considerably bigger.
Yeah, to save on power, I'm gonna quit.
So
Unity.
0, 0, 0, 0. And let's go with the 95s again. So 0.05, 0.05, 0.95. Actually, that's not enough. Let's do 1, 9.
Leave that there.
1.9. And then we get rid of all these. There we go. Game. And we'll center this. So the maximum size is 100. We will center, and we'll make it so that we can see it. And oh yeah, I forgot. There's another surprise I haven't shown you yet.
Is that from this morning?
I made a music track.
Oh yeah, see
Oh,
that
yeah.
terrible a cappella performance by Max.
And our deepest apologies to Robert C. Bobby Prince, who is the composer for Dome. Because I made this.
I really hope you did multiple tracks and never laid them on top of each other. No. Oh yes.
Alright, that's enough. But yeah, it's all there. So I actually haven't exported the sound from that, so let me do that real quick. Here's the one video. This is the actual start.
Whoa!
So export selected range.
Well, I think you did you get a little bit? Oh no, you're right. Okay.
Audio only.
If you play it slowly backwards, he summons a cactus man. It's an incantation.
That's too funny.
Alright, so we've got. So is this AIFF format that Unity knows what it is?
Who knows?
Let's find out. It knows. It knows it all. So we'll go ahead and compress it. I think I'm going to only use this on the bonus level. And we'll pick something less annoying for the other levels. So Doomish, we don't have a folder for this. Let's create a folder, music. I don't want it in anything. There we go. And we will then go to what's the level called? Scenes, bonus, save all. I'm gonna throw Doomish in here somewhere. I'll just put it on. Doesn't matter. I'll just put it on a quad. Who cares? We'll just never find it again if we need to change anything on it. So it should loop. And yeah, that's all we need to do. We might have to adjust the volume too, but we'll leave that for right now. So if we hit play on this level now, looks like it's working. I am going to make it much lower.
You should put it on one of the max heads and make it a 3D sound.
Maybe.
You should do that.
Put it on the
It'll be
starting-
awful, though. It'll be so bad because it'll be more than one. Okay, I'm going to try it. We're going to try it.
Try
Okay,
putting it all-
Doomish, we're
yeah.
doing
No,
it.
just put it on the starting max head, and then if you kill the starting max head, the sound goes away.
I have a better idea.
Let's
Can you
hear what-
split the acapella pieces
Okay.
and put them on different heads?
Get rid of a movement script on your enemy
Mhm.
or on your Doom head. Put an extra Doom head that doesn't spawn any Doom heads outside of the level, and have that emit the 3D sound of just your head being outside of the level, emitting the sound.
Okay.
Like impaled on a spike or something.
Yeah.
Sure, I mean you could do that.
If you manage to get outside of the collision, then
Which
you
you
can find
probably
the
can.
head.
Yeah. There's the potential for it. All right, so I'm going to put it behind here then. Yeah, let's do it. So let's make a...
I think that's funny.
Let's make
Have the
it
sound
max
be a
head.
3D sound emitting from an actual one of these floating heads, but a different one.
Go ahead and break the prefab instance.
But you should make it so that it'll, of course, be killable and everything. Maybe you should put more HP on it than all the other ones.
Volume roll off logarithm distance is... Let's make it like
You shoot
that.
the head, and it pauses for a couple seconds, and then continues.
Okay, so this is not going to have face AI. Remove component. Hit effect. Yeah, we'll keep the hit effect. We'll keep the give on death. So you can stop the music.
There's
if
no
you-
movement, though, right? On this.
There's no movement
one.
at this point. So let's save project. Let's see how this actually goes. I'm going to make it a little bit quieter. Let's make it linear. No, let's make it logarithmic.
Have a giant max head, which has 10 times the health of the others play the sound. That actually is a good idea. A bigger max head.
Oh, we should do what we got from that screenshot. We
Just
should
have
actually
it looking
have it
over.
Show
looking
that
over-
screenshot real
Yeah.
quick that we're talking
Okay, yeah.
about.
So when we were developing this thing, we ended up with this screen with Jeffrey just peeking over the wall here. It's so good.
We should put a max head outside of the
The level just like
level
looking
peeking
over.
over one of the walls, yeah. And have the audio coming from that one.
That's a good idea.
All right, so we're gonna get rid of the ceiling on this level then.
Or just expand the ceiling.
Yeah, I guess we could put it higher or something, right?
Yeah.
Let's turn off the background no
Yeah, on this
reset
one.
on this one level.
Or then why would we need the ceiling? Oh, because there's still that UI.
Yeah.
You wouldn't see
above
the
there.
UI though.
Yeah, you can't see it.
Okay, good.
So we could get rid of the ceiling on this level.
I mean, it's pretty appropriate to
Let's
have
get
a
rid of the
giant
ceiling. We'll just get
max
rid of
head
the
that's looking over everything. I think that's hilarious. You know that?
All right, so we're gonna do it. So here we go. I
Seems-
know it was wrong. We still had the sound on the quad. No, we didn't. Wait, where's the other quad? Oh, I deleted it. Okay, so that's fine. Why is it still so loud when I'm so far away? I'm really getting big.
it still a 2D sound?
I'm getting huge. Oh, that might be too huge.
Yeah.
Too huge for you. Oh, that's fantastic. Okay, I'm okay. As long as it doesn't spawn enemies.
Why can't I see him? Oh, because he has an animation. That's right. We get rid of that animation thing.
Well, we have someone saying that Stephen Carr 77 said this is the best game ever.
Turn off
Oh, I fell
gravity,
through the ground. Okay, so
Make it non-kinematic.
yeah,
he has no
just,
gravity. Nope.
We do want the collider, but we don't want the gravity.
Turn off his kinematic. Or turn on it. His
Thank you.
kinematic, I mean.
You can't shoot it because its collider is small.
Oh,
Isn't
is it?
I think so. That would
Oh, it's like this
explain why
weird
it
vertical
dropped.
line. Yeah. All right, so let's fix that.
You have to shoot him right between the eyes.
I'm gonna offset it backwards too, just because of how
The whole
it's kind
thing?
of shaped.
Right?
No, the collider, just the collider. Because I want it to. Well, we want the particles to show up, but we don't want the collision to be so big that it like pushes on the player or anything.
Well, and right now it's going
Well,
through
I
the
mean,
wall.
I guess yeah.
Maybe give him
so-
a box collider.
Yeah, that's probably better. That's probably a safer bet. I'm gonna add physics box collider. Oh, it did it nice for me. That's
Wow,
awesome.
That's really
That's
cool.
super
of it.
convenient. It is working. They're just very small particle effects.
Is he not dying? He just never die?
I don't know why he didn't die after the first. Oh, because it's in his AI for the dying, isn't it?
Oh, I think it is.
Yeah, it
You're
is.
right.
So we'll give his AI back. We're gonna give him. I'm just gonna give him the Doom AI because it doesn't really matter, and because we don't want making things, and we'll just turn his movement speed off,
Steven.
off, and then the health will be 100.
He's still
So-
going to face the player, though, so he might stick through the wall.
The Stephen Carper
Is that right, or-
at the end. Is that
Oh yeah, let's fix that.
So one of the comments is at the end of the game, the camera pans away from the character, revealing that they too are a cactar.
That's good.
Look at player equals true. Do may I? Where is it? So if look at player, do this stuff. I defaulted to true so that when we don't change it on the other things, it'll fix everything. So we don't want it on him, and everything else will still work the same.
They actually need more life, I think,
They
than
do.
regular ones.
I'm gonna
How
need
much
some.
health does he have?
100.
That was funnier than I thought it was going to be, even though I knew it was happening. I want. So how much? Wait, what was the question? We need to have more health. Yes.
Oh, it said at the end of the game, the camera pans away from the character, revealing that they too are a
Oh,
cactar.
yeah. Yeah, we might have to do that. I'm going to move this collider forwards because we were getting some problems with the particles clipping in. So I'm going to just do that. We're just going to take the.
Just move it along the z-axis.
Yeah, box collider, we just need to move it forward a little bit. Because it'll still look like it's coming off of me. There's no illusion of depth with... yeah, now it works better.
Oh, they need to actually do damage, too. More
Yes.
health damage.
You ran out of machine gun.
Oh, this could take a while.
I like that they hit the wall.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's funny.
It's so dumb. Alright, let's say what we got so far. Save project.
Commit that stuff.
Commit that stuff.
Yo, Snake.
You snake.
Oh, I can't say the rest of it.
I know.
I say naughty words.
You snake.
Okay.
Sneak that stuff.
Okay. That looks like a bullet wound to me, P.
Whatever. Meryl's hot. Master. Come on. Why is it still committing? Oh, sound. That's why I still
Give the
committing.
Big Max the Wilhelm screen on death.
Oh, is that public domain yet? It ought to be. Actually, it's royalty free, but you have to. I think you might have to have a license to whatever set it's from, but I don't know. Maybe not at this point. I don't know how that one works. But we could make a Wilhelm scream. I'm sure Phil can do a Wilhelm scream. No, maybe not.
I don't know.
Ah!
Yeah, that
was good.
That's really good. You should do that. That should be the screen at the end of your head, the big head dying.
We should all do it at the same time so it has echo.
I want a scream for my head to be like.
All right, let's do a scream for each head. Actually, while this is committing, let's go ahead and do some sound work.
Oh no!
Oh, you shot me! Ow!
Okay, so
Ow, why are you doing
That hurts.
click time player.
That hurts.
We're going to new audio recording. All right, so I'm just gonna hit record and we're gonna start recording.
Okay, so I could make my sound like when my enemy gets shot, be like, blah, 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 blah.
Yes, you could.
I don't know if I want that.
Might be better just to go blah if we're gonna have hit sounds, really, because it's gonna be a lot of those sounds.
How about if I just make like a Doomish like sound like, like that.
That's a good one. Yeah. I'm gonna try my Wilhelm screams for a second here. Ah! All right, hold on. Ah! I had it so good that first one, and I don't think I could ever do it again. I guess we could take it from the broadcast. That's good.
No, you can get another one. You can do it. You can do it.
But
Is that gonna be your head sound?
No. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, blah. Yeah, that'll be mine.
Okay, here's what I want to do for mine. Actually.
Okay.
Ow, that hurts.
All right. Yours is gonna be a long one. That's
Or just like.
We'll make it clip.
How about-
We'll go ow, that hurts.
Yeah,
That'll
that's
work.
I didn't
we'll
think
clip
it.
Yeah.
Is it on hit? Okay.
Yeah, we'll do it on hit. Well, we'll have a death one too. We'll have both. So.
Ow, you killed me!
All right.
And what's yours, man? Well, you get two of them because the big one could have something different.
I guess that's true. The big one. Okay, so the big one should have the stupidest sound. So I'm just gonna go. Bleh.
For the big ones,
That's gonna be the big one. The small
How
one.
are we gonna know
The
which
small one
parts
we're
are
gonna
which?
we're
for
gonna
the big
go
one,
through.
we should continue playing the music for just like another second, but slow it down, like linearly, so that you're like playing the beat, but then you do it slower and slower.
All right, you're right. We're not going to find any of these in this minute. I don't want to scrub through it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you for your two sounds. I'm going to do
Okay, well, two
three
sounds.
three sounds. I'm not going to have any sounds for the hit on the.
Oh wait, so we're doing two sounds each, a hit and then
Yeah,
a
hit
death?
and a death. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah. And you can take more than one take if you need to. So
Okay.
just go.
When are we starting? Oh, right now. Here's my hit sound. Ow. My death sound. Why would you do that?
All right, my big death sound is blip. My hit sound is ouch, and my death sound is ah.
You pretty much did the same things I was going to do, so.
Oh, dang it. Okay, well I'll change mine.
Well, the outro I was just going to do a quick kind of in between ouch and blip.
Okay. Ouch.
Ah!
All right. All right.
So
Gotta stop recording.
Okay, we should get like the Cactus Man sounds.
Oh yes.
Cactus Man!
Yeah, like Cactus Man coming to get you.
All right,
I'm
so-
looking forward to those because there's so many Cactus Men at
know.
the same time. They're just going to be like overlaying on top of each other.
Cactus
Like,
Man.
Cactus Man, Cactus Man, Cactus Man.
It should be like when they make a Ray cast that sees the players that they say the Cactus Man thing.
But they do that every frame.
Well, I mean, they should have a
Head cuts.
rule or something that says that they've.
All right, so
Oh, you mean like so the ones behind walls don't see you and do it?
I was just thinking that they just randomly play a sound or like after a certain
Kapla?
kapla.
Kapla!
We need one for when they hit. So if you are within hitting range and they hit you, or when you enter a hitting range.
Man,
Or
sound.
It's continuous damage. So
I wasn't there for when that was.
so
set up,
when
so
we
I don't know exactly
no,
how it
but I'm
works.
just trying to figure out what would be a good sound to just play continuously while they're damaging you. That's too sound effecty. It needs to be like. All right. So let's do some Cactus Man cuts.
Okay.
Because everyone likes the Cactus Man. So
Cactus Man.
Cactus Man's coming. Cactus Man's gonna get you.
Cactus Man coming down the hall.
You want to give any Cactus Mans?
No, those are good.
Okay.
Cactus Man.
And Cactus Man hit sound effect for when he takes the damage. Okay.
Or
yeah.
we could do the other one. Yeah!
Cactus Man, yeah! Okay, now I'm good.
All right, but what about for damage? Should it just be yeah for the damage?
Yeah!
That's the one for killing the player. That's awesome. We're using that. But I mean, like, for when we damage the Cactus Man. I like that one better than the boop. But I'm going to see what we can do with the boop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know why they would say yeah when they got hit.
Yeah.
Oh, no!
I like it. I don't know why.
Cactus cut.
Try free sound what? No, we don't need other sound effects. We have our mouths.
Open audio file, open other.
What program is this?
This is Fission. It is vital for sound work like this. I highly recommend it. It is a pay program.
Fission?
It is really awesome. So we're gonna let's do the head cuts first. So we're just gonna first delete everything that's before the 2-minute mark because I kept track of that. I'm not even gonna look at it because we might find something we want, and I don't want that. I don't want the chance that.
This is a paid program?
This is a paid program.
How much is it?
I will let you know right now.
Like it's like $10 or something, $15 or something. It's just worth it.
When are we starting? Oh, right now.
Always use Audacity.
Here's my hit sound. Ow. Hit sound.
Okay, so split.
Ow. My death sound. Why would you do that?
All right, my big death sound is split. Sound is.
Oh,
got too greedy. Split. Sound is. There we go. Split. Split.
I like the blip.
My computer sound must have been making a lot of noise.
Ouch!
And split.
Ouch!
And my death sound is.
so Fission from the is $32 on the Mac.
Okay, $32. I think it's gone up in price, but it's still good.
Pretty much do the same things I was going to do, so.
Oh, dang it. Okay, well, I'll change mine.
Well, the outro I was just going to do a quick.
Probably there.
Okay. Is that the last one?
No, it's
Okay.
it's this one.
Okay.
Right there.
Ouch!
That's my get hit. Ouch. Ouch.
Ouch.
Ouch. Ouch. Ouch.
Ouch! Ah!
I like that one.
It sounds pixelated.
Ah!
If that makes any sense.
Does
Yeah,
kind
it
of make
does.
sense. Alright, so we're going to delete the ones that we don't need. I can't multi-select them, evidently.
Apparently not. Oh, now things are getting more confusing. So now if we listen to them all...
Ow! Why would you do that? Ouch! Ah! Ouch! Ah! Ow! Why would you do that? Ouch! Ah! Ouch! Ah! Ow! Why would
Now
you do that?
overlay it on top of itself, but offset by 50%, and we've got more music.
Yeah, there you go. It's the Scream tracks. Alright.
Why would you do
So
that?
let's...
oh, mine can be trimmed a little bit more, it looks like, that first one.
First one. Well, I mean...
Ow! 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 Ow!
I'm okay with it, never mind.
I mean, there's a small delay before you
Ow.
say
Why
ow,
would you
but
do that?
this
No,
is
it's fine.
incredibly small
Yeah,
amount
it's
of time.
fine, it's fine.
That's half a second at this point.
That's okay.
So, yeah.
So we want to save all those
So
files.
we're going to
We have
export...
an extra one in there.
Do we? No, there's
Oh, no,
there's
Max did
3 for
that's
Max
right.
because he has the
Export.
giant head.
Call this...
That's right.
That has a special
I
sound.
love the giant head one.
Let's
Yeah.
call him
Blip.
Black Cut again. Why is it
I
want to
think
call him
that's
Black
great.
Pet again?
I'm looking forward to hearing that when the music cuts out.
But
Oh, I see. I have to make a folder for it. So I'm
Maybe
going
we
to
should
create
do
a...
a ammo empty, but you're trying to fire sound.
Yeah.
Or do we need bullet sounds?
We do need bullet sounds. There's a lot of things we need. The machine gun.
that's fantastic.
What is it called? I think we might actually use a sound effect generator for the sound effects for those. What are we calling these things? This is head guts.
Oh, I thought you said head guts, and I'm like, that doesn't make any sense. I guess
You're
that's
huge.
a
That must
brain.
mean you have huge head guts.
That must what are head guts? I'm assuming that's just a brain, and like a tongue and eyeballs.
Just want to make sure that it actually
I
did
just had an
these
idea.
head-
Stupid idea.
Femurs getting out from the heads, like the
Ow.
heads dropping femurs. Because
No, I
that
was
was my
thinking-
idea once I started thinking about head guts.
I was thinking the final boss is Max's head that's singing the music, and to finish that level, you have to kill him. And our heads aren't in there, but when you shoot him, the blood that comes out is another head,
Oh,
which
God.
falls into the scene, and then
That's actually kind of cool.
That is kind of cool.
one of our heads.
That
We
does
might have to
spawn
try
other
that.
heads.
We might have to try that.
That spawns other heads.
That's going to be terrifying.
So you can either target Max's giant head
Right
to
at
try
the
and-
beginning.
to try and end it quickly, or you can try to shoot him and then take out the ads, and then shoot him some more and take out the ads.
That's kind of neat.
Add mobs. All right. Open.
Oh god, we gotta hurry. We're running out of time.
I know. We're always running out of time. Cactus
We are.
cut.
All right, so
Oh, you mean like so the ones behind walls don't see you
I was just thinking that they just
when you enter a hitting range. What are we looking for this time? Oh, this.
Cactus Man's coming. Cactus Man. Cactus Man's coming. Cactus Man's gonna get me.
What the heck is that?
I got
Oh.
a message at that time. So that one's gone. All right.
That's unfortunate.
Cactus Man.
I didn't even realize that happened. when
I
we
didn't
were-
either.
I definitely realized it when it happened, and I was like, I didn't think it was going to be that dramatic, though, when it happened.
Man coming down the hall.
So dumb.
They do that most of the game.
You have any Cactus Mans? No, that's okay.
Oh, I had
And
another one.
so, Cactus Man hit sound effect. What? Cactus Man, yeah! Cactus Man, yeah! Okay, sounds good. Alright, but what about for damage? But I mean, like, for when we did... Yeah! Yeah! It'd just be yeah for the damage. That's the one for killing the player. That's awesome.
Oh my
But
god.
like,
That's
when
the
we damage
DOT
Cactus
damage,
Man.
right?
Yes, that's the damage over
I like that
time.
better than the food. But, I'm gonna see what we can do with the food. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, all those ones are amazing. You know that? Those ones are...
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That last one's going to be tricky.
Well, we could get that one after we get rid
Yeah,
of all the
let's,
crap that we don't
let's
need.
just clean this up. So we're going to get rid of this. This is not a real one, right? This is...
No, that's way too.
Yeah.
What about for...
Do we have anything that we missed?
Okay, sounds good.
No, okay. So what we got so far?
Cactus Man. Cactus
That
Man.
was...
Man's gonna get me.
Oh, that's
Okay,
so
this is the one we need to get
disappointing.
rid of. Yeah.
Cactus Man coming down the hall. Cactus Man coming down the hall. Cactus
No,
Man.
come on. How do I... There we go.
Man, yeah! Yeah! That's the one for killing with the player.
That
Is
is
there
the
nothing
one
in
for
all of that?
killing.
Because that was huge.
Is there nothing in... Yeah, I didn't think there was anything.
Okay.
You want me to undo just to make sure?
Killing the player, that's awesome. I like that one better. When did we damage the Cactus Man? But I'm going to see what we can do with the boot.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh yeah, that one's my favorite, by the way.
Oh yeah.
Let's play them all real
Alright,
quick.
we're
I
gonna
just want to
play
hear
them
them
all.
all
Yeah.
playing one after the other. I don't know why.
Cactus Man.
Because it was
Cactus
funny
Man
last time.
coming down the hall. Cactus Man. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
That last one's the best.
So export.
That one's my favorite. It's so quiet too. It's just like, oh yeah.
And we're gonna go to desktop. And we're
That
gonna
one's
go
more like the
name
Cactus Man is
folder.
talking to himself.
Yeah.
I know. That's why I like it so much.
Cactus cuts.
We should make an album called Cactus Cuts.
Yeah, just like killer cuts.
Yeah. But it'll be like, yeah. It'll be like, Cactus Man coming down the hallway. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get you. My name is Cactus Man.
All right, so let's name these.
Man, gonna get you.
Ow.
Oh yeah.
Ow.
So this is Phil Ow, right?
Let's hear it. Yeah.
Ow.
Yes, that's me.
Phil Ow. Phil takes damage. Let's be specific.
Look.
That's Max.
Large head death.
Why would you do that?
That's Phil Death. Oh, that's sad.
Phil
Phil.
death.
Oh. Why would you do that?
Ouch!
Is there an easy way to open all of these and remove
Max
the
damage.
ambient?
There probably is software that could do that. I don't have time to mess with it, and I know that it sounds.
You don't know how to do it in
What?
that current audio software you were using?
I don't think it can.
Oh.
I don't think it has the capability actually. Maybe I could.
I don't-
open. Let's just see. Let's open up this real quick.
Cactus.
Tools, insert silence, smart split, playhead, add split. Yeah, I don't think this has what we need for that.
I'm not too worried about it, but that's just me.
Max death. Jeffrey death. And this must be Jeffrey damage.
Ouch.
Yep.
Ouch.
I guess we'll call this Phil damage. We didn't make sounds for when we actually damaged the player because I guess we weren't thinking about the fact that we were going to eventually damage the player. We'll have to. We'll get to that in just a second. Let's get what we got. Let's implement what we have, and then we'll do more after that. So let's grab all these. We're going to create a folder. We're going to call this sounds. Alright, and then we're going to go through the other ones we just got, which were in, so we got the cactus cuts.
Makes me really want to kill it.
Cactus Man.
Cactus present 1, cactus 1. I'm just going to call it cactus 1 for the ones where they just are saying their things for no reason.
All right.
Cactus Man coming down the hall.
I don't know why I let it go so long, but
I like it.
Cactus Man. Yeah! Yeah!
Cactus gun.
Yeah.
Cactus hit 1.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Cactus hit 2. Did we actually have one for the cactus dying?
Yeah, I think so. Well, let's hear it real quick. At the here then. That's definitely a hit. Call that cactus hit 3. I know there's one that just oh yeah.
Cactus man, coming. Cactus man. Yeah.
I thought the yeah was the death.
That's
Actually,
the DOT against the player.
oh yeah, that's true. There is nothing for them dying. Oh, I think oh yeah was supposed to be a death or something like. There was some. I thought there was one, but that is my favorite hit. You can make him die and say ooh yeah if you want to.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna make this cactus death.
The ooh yeah one.
Yep.
Ooh yeah.
Let me make sure that I labeled the right one.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Cactus man.
Sounds check.
Come down the hole.
All right, so
Compress.
it doesn't matter for these. We actually optimally you don't want these compressed because they're so small anyway. All right, so we got to actually start implementing. Let's check what we've got in so far, which is the big part of the check-in. So, and this will still be pretty fast because it's not that big. Sounds. So sound effects. Let's start with ours. So since we're already in the scene, so we're gonna go to our AI, face AI. So we're gonna have public sound or clip, audio clip, hit sound, public audio clip, death sound.
Audacity apparently removes noise fairly well.
Okay, we might hit it up.
I've removed noise using it.
Audacity?
I do have it
The
installed.
audacity of that.
So, audio clip, hit sound, death sound, and do we have a damage doing sound yet? We didn't. I'm just not going to worry about that right now.
Yeah.
So, hit sound and death sound, is that all we had?
Yeah.
Okay, so so in damage we're just going to audio.play one shot hit sound and then damage, and then so in death here we'll just do it in here.
What are the
Play one shot death
hit
sound.
and death sounds for the player? Oh no, this is the face. Okay, yeah.
So, so now we can go to Jeffrey Head, Max Head, and Phil Head, and change these settings. So Jeffrey Head needs Jeffrey. So Jeffrey damage, Jeffrey death. Apply. Max Head needs Max Head damage, max damage. What game had a character named Max Damage? That's my quiz of the day. I think we've done several quizzes actually, but
Well, max damage.
yeah.
Is it recent?
No, it is not. It's an open world driving game.
Is that Carmageddon?
You are right.
Here's another one.
You said our open game, open world
Yeah.
driving game.
I shouldn't have done that.
What game had a character named Max Payne?
Alan Wake.
Super Mario Brothers.
It was Alan Wake, wasn't it?
I don't remember. I
don't
remember there was a game that had that character.
Sounds. All right. So, Phil damage.
Yeah.
And Phil death.
Oh yeah.
Let's see how this goes.
Is it connected?
Oh
anyway?
wait, we didn't put audio sources on them, so
They all need audio sources, right?
audio source.
That's so handy that they've added that,
Yeah.
by the way.
Yep. All right, so let's apply this to all our prefabs. Oh wait, I can't multi-apply. That makes sense. I wouldn't support that either if I was writing this engine. But I would have a lot more.
Is it gonna play every time we take damage?
Should.
Yeah.
But it will clip itself. Well, that didn't go so well. I'm going to turn off the really annoying ba 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 for a moment, and I just want to see what's going on here.
Will they die and their audio source goes
Oh,
away?
yes. Okay, so we need to do this the other way. So we're going to say, we're going to do game object hit sound and game object death sound. We're just going to instantiate. Oh, but the problem with this is it's not a one-off anymore. How do we fix this? Oh, well, we'll have overlapping audio, whatever.
Well, when the health gets to 0, we could do some other stuff like.
Oh yeah. So
hide the
wait,
object
it's only
before.
it's only yeah, you're right. It's only the death one that we're worried about. So we'll keep the other one as a one shot, and that'll work. That'll be, and then we'll guarantee that the death sounds persists. Excellent. So we're gonna do game object death sound. We're going to do instantiate death sound transform dot position quaternion dot identity. And we don't play the one shot anymore here. And we need to improve our health so that we actually have hit sounds. So we're going to go into these three and we're going to make the health higher. I would say 10 at the minimum. And I think we're going to make the cactuses more like 5, honestly. So we got that. We got the health. We need to make it death sound now, death sound container. So I'm just going to drag Jeffrey Death in here, and Max Death in here, and Phil Death in here.
I don't want to die.
And then we just make prefabs of them.
What if that's what they say every time they got hit? Wouldn't that be horrible?
Yeah, it would be pretty
I
bad.
don't want to die. I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
That could be on the ones that are running away.
Oh my god, that would be amazing. I don't want to die. Cactus Man. Cactus Man doesn't want to die.
So
Can we do that?
It's a type
do we
mismatch.
have one more?
we're gonna have another
more?
sound. We're gonna have another
Okay.
sound thing through.
We've only got an
no,
hour
Phil
and 10
Death.
minutes left.
Wait, Jeffrey damage, Jeffrey Death, and then Max Death, and we got Phil Death.
Oh.
And then we apply, and kapla.
Do we apply, and then comply?
Yes.
Ouch, ouch. Ow, ow. Ow, ow.
Oh, that's perfect. That
Yeah,
is
I'd say that's perfect. All right. Big Mac's head can come back in now that we know what we're doing.
Was that like exactly the way that they handled it in some of those older games or something?
Probably. That is probably, actually.
Because it sounds very similar.
Please not to kill me, sir.
All right, so this one.
Well, you didn't kill the big head.
Yeah, well, the big head isn't set up because he's completely
Big
different.
Head's- that's
Big
right.
Head's not in it.
Ow, 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 ow.
Oh, yeah. No. Oh! Oh, God!
Some of them must have spawned other ones when they died.
The giant, my face was just huge. Oh my god!
Did you accidentally back into the?
Yeah, I did. It was just so perfect. Everything just happened perfectly.
Oh my god, that was amazing.
Save scene, save project. Let's check out what we've got, and then let's do the Cactus Men, and then we'll start doing everything else we can do. Oh, actually, no, we want to do the text thing immediately after that. Then we'll start playing with
the player's name.
Yeah, with the player's name.
I think we need to make sure
we should
get
do
that
that
in at some point.
Sounds.
That was amazing. Just gonna throw that out there. That was amazing. I want to make the runaway cactus man thing.
Do you? Okay, we'll consider that. That one's lower on my list though.
Oh, I know.
That's definitely because that requires more of the codes.
What about making it so your head bleeds our heads?
I think that should go before the cactus
man. We'll
saying
look at that in a bit here. So what are we doing? We're going to a level with Cactus Man. Test.
Test.
Actually, let's do test 3 because we've got a lot of Cactus Man in this level.
Yeah, I know.
So I'm just going to grab Cactus Man number 1 here, and we're going to change the Doom AI to have some sound stuff in it. We need public audio clip, idle clip, public audio clip, damage clip,
so
and public game object death sound. And actually, they do need to be erased because we need multiple idle clips and multiple damage clips. We have multiple damage, and we only have 1 death, right? Yeah, and that's not where you put those. Put them in the wrong place. And then we're going to also need a couple variables: public, float, min, idle time equals, let's say 5.0 f, and then public float max idle time equals 10.0 f. Save.
I think we should do what Phil mentioned in when it reaches that idle time, do a raycast to see if you're actually hitting the player. That way they're not all yelling things from 3 rooms away.
All right, let's do it.
So you do just like a raycast when it reaches.
I was just going to make them quiet enough that you didn't hear it because you want to hear them if they're in the other room, right? I'm going to...
We got a too spooky for me thing again. This game turned into a horror game.
So... audio.play 1 shot damage clip. On this one, you're going to instantiate death sound transform position quad identity, and then we need the logic for the
damage over time clip.
Oh yeah, we need that too. We need that too. I need to put that one. Public audio clip player damage clip. So that one, that's a little trickier. That one we need to turn on when we're taking damage, and then else. Actually, yeah. So we'll set audio dot clip equals player damage clip. If audio dot is playing, if not audio is playing, audio dot play.
I think we want to put the audio clip to player damage clip inside of that if check. That way we don't overwrite if it's saying one of the
good point.
One of the flavor clips.
Well, wait, we wanted to overwrite the flavor clips, don't we? Or yeah, I'm not sure how this is going to behave, honestly, but we'll see how it goes. Else audio dot stop.
Well, I mean, we don't want to overwrite it if it's currently playing.
All right. We'll have a specific audio source for it then. We'll do public audio source. And then we'll use that instead. And actually, we don't even need to set the clip then, because we'll just assume that always has the clip that we want. So we'll just do player damage source dot play.
And if not, player damage source dot is playing.
Stop. And then finally, we need when what's the other one?
Idle.
Idle, yes. We're just going to do in start. We're going to say play invoke play idle sound.
What about
And
the
the
Eric
plays.
Idle sound?
Haha. So
That was really dumb. I'm sorry.
It was so dumb that I forgot to laugh. So
Min idle time.
min idle time, max idle time.
Or,
yeah, in a thingy,
yeah.
in a
What about
random
the Eric? I want the Eric
range.
Idle time. I do want the Eric Idle time.
Well, Eric's not here.
No, the Eric Idle time.
I know. I got it. I do get it.
We need to add that function.
So yeah, void play idle sound. Oh, we do not have a whole lot of time left. We have an hour left.
I know. We need to hurry.
Play idle sound. We're going to audio dot play one shot. And we're gonna call it
Idle clip.
idle clip dot idle clip random dot range 0 idle clip dot length. In that. So we do
And
that.
then invoke the next one.
And yes, thank you. And then, so we got that. We got the damage. We got the death sound. I think that's everything. Is that everything?
I think so. Add sources.
Oh,
to
no, we
it.
did one thing wrong. When I played the damage clip, this should actually be styled like the play one shot idle clip thing here. Except for with damage clip, and damage clip. Save all. Let's see if it compiles. There's 2 audio listeners in the scene. I think that was from before when I went into the credits. So now we're going to go to Cactus Man and we're going to hook all this stuff up. So I'm going to lock the inspector and we're going to go down into the sounds. And we need idle clip is going to be cactus 1 through 3. Bam. Damage clip is going to be cactus hit 1 and cactus hit 3. Death is going to be death sound. Oh wait, that one needs to be on its own object, so we put the death on somewhere in here. And we make a prefab out of it. And we now put that into our Cactus Man. So, Cactus Death. And player damage sound is Cactus Gun. Oh wait, no. That one we need to put, so Cactus Gun,
source.
we're going to create a empty child. We're going to put Cactus Gun on here. We are not going to play on Awake.
You have the inspector locked.
Thank you. Knew that was going to bite me in the butt. Do not play on Awake. And actually, we really shouldn't have play on Awake for the... We need an audio source on this guy too. So component add audio source. Don't play on Awake. Not that it will matter because we're not going to set an audio source here. And then on this game object, we need to set. We already set Cactus Gun. Good. So apply.
Drag in the. Did you drag in the audio source for that one?
Oh, I didn't. You're right. Thank you. Audio source needs to be this. I'm going to call this damage audio source. And apply. And let's see if this goes.
Down the hall. Down the hall.
Get health.
Pick up
Get health
and
and then do
Okay.
it. That's amazing.
All right, so I'm going to make the random way wider randomness. We're going to go min idle time. We're going to set it to 10, and max idle time. We're going to set it to 30. Why do I want to play immediately? Oh, did I not apply it? Didn't apply it.
Maybe
Why?
it's
Oh,
set
maybe
to
there's something to play on
or
awake.
something.
Yeah. Wait. Oh, yeah, it's the death, isn't it? No. Oh, do I have the death sound in the scene? I have the death sound in the scene. Cactus, death. There we go. So file save, save all, save project, play.
Down the hall. Down the hall.
I like that so much.
Oh no! I marked something.
I like that so much.
We had a death collider at the down a ways.
Oh yeah, we probably should because the player can't do anything in that
It's
state.
down like 100 meters. or
Yeah,
something.
yeah. I'm just gonna have it so in
Let
the
them
player.
fall a ways,
yeah.
but then
So what we're just going to do is I'm going to actually just have it be a cutoff point. So we're just going to say in player health, we'll just do it in player health. So
Cactus man.
update
Coming down the hallway.
if wait, how do we normally die? Oh yeah, it's right here. This is it. So update if transform dot position is less dot y is less than or equal to 100.0 f negative 100.0 f. Otherwise, this would be a very quick loop. Destroy. So we're going to do player singleton in manager and instance current. Oh wait, yeah, we just need these. Save all. All right. So now, if we fall out of a level, which requires us to find a wall to go through, which
there's an
requires
evil
us.
power up. I don't know if there's an evil wall.
Oh, well, there's an evil power up. I'm gonna have to chance it. Okay, good.
Oh, he's running away. I really like it.
Down the hall.
Were there any collision problems?
I don't know.
Oh god, he's getting close. Oh yeah. I like how it has the little delay. Actually, it kind of helps it somehow.
So there's only one cactus man left. He's in the corner.
Down the hall.
He's just down the hall, evidently.
They do sound a little bit like they're mooing. By the
There
way.
were no collision bugs. Okay, well that made
Just
me
to
feel.
let you know.
Yeah, it does sound like a little bit like they're mooing.
All those mooing robots. Is what...
Oh no, that was a bugged one.
I think you just killed the bugged one.
God, he was getting me. I need health now. Hopefully this is health. Oh, it's not health!
You picked up infinite ammo. And that was a bug.
Okay, so this is the one I want. There we go.
This game's hard.
It's not done yet. All games that aren't done are very hard. All right, I'm done. I actually... Wait, we wanted to check falling out of the world. Let's just push... I'm just going to pull the player out of the level manually.
Before that guy gets to you.
Oh, God.
Pause! Controller.
Thank you. There we go. And we'll just unpause. I'm just going to make a swan dive. Woo! 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 Okay.
Did you hear it? Down to hole. Down to hole. Down to hole.
All right, let's make this sounds a little bit less distant. I mean, let's make it so they don't have as long a distance on the sounds. We're going to make it so max distance is 20. 10.
15.
15.
I think that's good.
2010, 15. Is
Alright, we're going to apply that.
that what you said? 2010, 15?
Mm-hmm.
Play.
Actually, we might want the 20. I don't know.
I think this is fun.
Yeah. Now that they've all started dialoguing.
I just think the ooh yeah is so funny.
Alright, I'm going to make the Cactus Men take only 5 hits. Actually, I'm going to make it 6. 6 hits. Doomai health is 6.
Is it health? It's not health!
It's not health?
Apply prefab.
No, I just I think it's
What?
funny, like the power up. They're like, I'm gonna get this health, and everything's gonna be
Hopefully it's health.
oh.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
not health.
Alright, so save scene, save project. What are we doing?
We need to get that credit
person's
thing.
name.
Yeah, let's do that. Alright.
I think that's more important even than
Seems-
the Cactus Men.
Then even gun sounds, yeah.
Because it'll be a better experience.
Yeah.
Player.
What I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to do a quick fix on the Cactus Men falling out of the world. I'm just going to make it so if they get killed by the negative one, well, I'm just going to put a negative 100 on them as well, and if that gets killed, it clears them as a bug. So we'll just be like, whatever. It easily you could exploit the game by forcing them off of a cliff. If you want to 300 the game, you could do it, but I don't care.
300 the game.
You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
What is this? This is Sparta. So
Well, forcing them off of a cliff doesn't really help you because that takes longer than just marking them as a bug.
Agreed.
yeah, exactly, and that's the reason that I wasn't worried about doing it. Why?
Did we? How many
don't
hits
we have
do
any
our
text
individual
anymore?
heads take right now?
Oh wait, this is the title screen. Why is the title screen not displaying right now? Oh, it is. Oh, there it is. Okay.
How many hits do our heads take currently right now?
Our heads
Yeah,
currently
a little one.
Isn't it still 1?
We
Or
need.
did we move it up?
It needs to be higher than 1 probably for a boss level.
Okay, so UI we're going to put input field. I've never used one of these before. And we're going to go in here and we're going to call it placeholder is enter your name. And the text they'll be able to enter themselves. And I'm not sure how we save this, but we'll figure something out. Let's just see if it works first. I've never used one of these before, so play. Well, first of all, we want... Well, that's the problem. So, any key is not safe anymore if we do that on that screen.
No, we need a continue button.
Yeah.
Or something.
Alright, yeah, we'll do, instead of pressing any key to play, we'll go text, we'll add a button. Yeah. And this button, this should scale with. I'm just gonna have it center.
You could just always say press enter after entering your name too. You don't have to make it a button. Or you could just say like, hey, press enter.
That's way too big. Okay, we
Yeah,
want
it
this
is.
anchored to the floor. That's what we want. Okay, so we're going to get rid of the thing that makes it so we go to the next level. Yeah, what I'm going to say is like input field, sorry, text, enter, oops. Please enter your name.
Cool. That seems appropriate.
All right, so now let's see if we can enter our name. Okay, cool. We can. So when we hit enter on that,
You just have it go to the next screen, right?
yeah, we're gonna just create a special script for this. So it's gonna be called save name and enter game and start game.
Where are we gonna save the name?
I'm just gonna use player prefs so that we can be brain dead about this.
Good.
So, update on if we're gonna need public text. Oh wait, Unity Engine .ui.
Excuse me.
So public, what is it called? Input field, text field. If input.get button down key code dot, is it return or enter that we want?
You could
Oh
check
god.
both.
Yeah,
Or-
you should just do both.
Return or key code dot enter or keypad enter. Is that the only enter that's in there? Yeah, it is. Okay.
That's not the way to do it, though. You're passing
Yeah, I
true,
know.
false, and
Yeah, I got it. Needs to be two separate statements. Boop.
Bleh.
Bleh. Enter. So
I
if
think
we
it's
do
fine.
that, then we will do text field dot text field dot text. Is that the real one? Yeah, I think that's the real one. Text field dot text. What was that? What was going on?
No.
Oh, okay. We want to do
Player pref.
player pref dot not delete all dot key string set string text field dot text. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and restore it too. So if you play multiple times, it'll save your name between them.
Yeah,
Because we
yeah.
might as well.
You
Yeah.
need to pass in a key, though, right?
Yes. So we need name. And this one will be get string name, and default is nothing. Actually, that probably automatically defaults to that anyway. So this would be text field dot text equals player browser string name. Let's see if that even works. I'm not sure if it will. Let's find out. Bugs have to be fixed. Get key down. And get key down. Save all. Alright, so if things go well, it should say enter your name here. I'm going to say Max, and I'm just going to hit enter. And then I'm going to stop playing. I'm going to hit play again. It doesn't show Max there, so that's... Oh, it's because we didn't actually put a script on here. So Let's put that on the main camera. It doesn't really matter where we put it. We're going to put the input field. Yeah, we'll put the input field in here. Then we'll hit play. We'll do max. Stop playing, play. Sweet, that works. And now we're going to just load application.load level loaded application.loaded level +1. Save. Let's put in a name. Hit enter. Goes into the game. Alright, so now we need to do the credit screen. So let's save scene, save project. Go to credits. Scenes, credits. And our Divas apology. Okay, so yeah, we need a tester in here. So we're gonna go text, and it may actually be easier to do a separate text field for this. Yeah. Create. I'm just going to duplicate this text field actually, even though it's really big, and we're just going to say we're going to make it. Oh, but the sizing. We'll make it some size that. Oh, the sizing. All right, we're going to have it insert it here. Let's see what it would look like if we said testers, and then we just place the name there. So how will we place the name there?
Well, we could take two different.
We could do something like this. I'm going to make these a little bit bigger. What happened there? Oh, 0.5. That's what happened there. If we look at this in the game, how big does this text actually look? It's not too bad. Why is it offset so awkwardly? Oh, because I'm not doing this right. 8.5. And wait. I wanted this to be bigger, so I wanted this to be 9.5 and 0.05. There we go. Alright, and we'll just replace those carets with what we want. So we're going to create a script, create a C# script, player name.
Nice.
And player name, all it's going to do is in the start, I'm going to give it a public text target using Unity Engine.UI. In start, we will replace, we'll go text target.text equals .text.replace boop boop with player prefs dot get key get string name. This will be a miracle if this actually works. So I'm gonna put this on. I'll just put this on the text itself, even though I could have totally gotten the text by itself. I just am not dealing with that right now. So we're just saying, yeah, on you, and then hit play. Testers max.
Sweet.
Save. Call it good. All right, that's huge. Almost 4:30.
Yeah, we should get this thing uploaded.
All right. So you think we should upload a build and make sure that it works, and then maybe work on other stuff after that?
Sure. What other stuff do we got to work on?
Well, it would be nice to have gun sounds. Let's do that real quick. Gun sounds
Just
real
do
quick.
gun sounds real fast.
I'm just going to go ahead and go with SFX on this one.
Hey, thanks for telling us that, Story Fam.
What?
I'm actually only on part 2, but I saw this was live and just wanted to say you guys are awesome. So thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, seriously. Okay, that's a good one for the stupid gun.
Yes, I agree.
Stupid gun.
We need something shorter though, even for the machine gun thing.
All right, so machine gun. All right. And where do these
They're
go?
on the desktop
Yeah.
right now, but they go to.
There they are.
I don't know where they go.
Sounds. And what are we doing with these? We're going to add these to our gun. So we're going to go into a level, pick a level, any level. I like level 3. I think that's my favorite level.
The one I made?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So
Coming down the hall. Cactus Man coming down the hall.
all right. So
Except
gun.
I say it a lot longer than that because I didn't know what to say when I was saying it.
So I'm going to add to our gun. We only have to do it once. Unlike all the other cases where I had to duplicate all this code, this is actually one where we can just do it in one. So public
Clip.
Actually, it doesn't even need a clip, does it? It just needs to play the audio that it has, right?
Yeah. Because each gun is
Yeah.
going to have its own source.
Yeah. Yeah. So, and we'll not worry about running out of ammo sounds. So we will just do.
Absolutely almost says, sweet, I'm glad you used my idea. I expect a place in the credits and 50% of the profits.
Well, you have your place in the credits. Just enter your name and you're done. So, you'll have to talk to my lawyer about the money. Actually, no. Actually, we could probably promise 50% of the profits and be just fine
Because
it's going to be 0 or
there will be
negative.
0
Yeah,
in this
actually,
one.
yeah. Let's not do profit share. Let's do actual cost sharing. Yeah.
So how much is my time worth?
Yeah.
How much is your time worth? And how much is your time worth?
So,
I'm kidding.
the current ammo minus we play audio dot
I'm
play.
up for whatever.
Either way, I'm meeting new people. So we've got that on gun now. We go to first. So on our basic gun and our machine gun, we're going to add component audio source. And on the basic gun, we're going to give it the stupid gun. And on the machine gun, we're going to give it the machine gun. And we're going to apply this.
Are awake and loop off?
They're not. Thank you. Play on awake off. Well, at least play on awake wasn't off. Save project. Actually, wait. I also want to save the first-person controller again. Apply. Save. Save. Just gotta keep saving. Just save all the way. Play. And so now, if we shoot,
Click as fast as you can.
that's as fast as I can click. And then if we switch to the other gun,
Can we reduce the sound of that?
yeah, we can reduce the sound of that. So machine gun, we're going to set to.
Both of them are too loud.
All right, we'll go 0.25 on the machine gun, and we'll go 0.5
Agreed.
on the other. Apply. I'm gonna actually make tab the switch weapon because I think that's what I said in the instructions because that's what I wanted it to be. But
add up our lives on our enemy heads. They're at 1 still.
I already upped it to 10. So.
They're 10.
But let's double check.
I thought they were still at 1.
Well, let's find out.
I was probably wrong.
I could have missed it.
Sometimes I look at like the chat here, so I don't always notice what's happening.
So some pointers, or you want to go into the
Right,
final level with maximum ammo, because otherwise those heads are going to overrun you.
Oh. Yep, good job.
Why would you do that?
And
No, keep
is
shooting
this
him.
level?
I wanted to. Oh,
is
did
this
you put
level
the,
in
did you
our
put the
I don't think I
hierarchy?
put the blonde. I don't think I did. Oh yeah, so he's not set up. He's a Doom AI. What was that?
We haven't put the level in the hierarchy, the bonus level.
Yeah, we have.
Have we?
Yeah, a long time
God,
ago.
boy, I'm just out of it.
That was like the first thing I did on this episode. So,
Do we have a credit scene?
no, I don't think we do. We should add the person who was playing the game to the credit. No, okay. So we need to fix this on the. I'm just going to say
was in there either.
if player damage source does not equal. Actually, we'll just give it a player damage source. We'll give it the blah sound when it does that. So we'll go to bonus and go to Big Mac's head, and we will fill in the player damage source will be a new empty child with a audio source. We'll put the player damage source in here. We will then, and I'll go ahead and make a death sound while we're in here too. I'm just going to use the same sound for both. It's going to be the really stupidest sound in the game. Oh wait, death sound. It has to be stupid. So player damage source at the very least, we'll do that. Player damage source. We don't want to play on awake, though I don't think you'd notice it. And fill death, full damage, max damage. Large head death. And I might as well make a large head death thing and make a prefab and throw it on the. We're never going to hear it because, well, actually, right now it doesn't load the level when we kill the thing, but. So let's apply this to. Oh, there's nothing to apply it to, so that's good. As a matter of fact, I want to specifically not apply it to. I'm going to make a new. I am going to make a prefab for it, but that's just so that I don't accidentally apply it to the other max heads.
UI is up.
Yeah, it's supposed to be now.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Why would you do that?
It's an index at a ranger.
Oh wait, what was I putting in here then? Oh, player damage source. Okay, that's not even what it was. So we need to put a damage clip in there. So
Do we get damaged by the heads?
no, not yet. So we should probably fix that. Are we doing damage clip? We're gonna say damage clip max damage. Wait, no. Large head death. Apply, save. Oh, I had to play on awake evidently. Somewhere. Because I heard a bleh. Yeah, there it is. Oh wait, why is it looping? That definitely shouldn't be the case. Oh wait, that's because... Wait. Oh, it's because I did the same thing again. Large head death is in here. Delete.
Why would you do that?
Okay.
Nice.
Let's see project. Let's
What
check
was
in
the
what we
error?
got. Oh, we got
Still
an error
array
still.
index up.
Dang it! Really? What one? Idle clip. Oh, it's playing idle sounds.
So just do an if idle
Yeah.
idle clip dot length greater than 0.
And we'll actually just not re-invoke after that. We'll just be like, oh well, we don't need that anymore. Save. Okay. Save scene, save project, and check all this stuff in. Lots of stuff. Alright, I want to change the button to be tab to select weapons, because otherwise they're going to read the text that says press tab to select weapons, and it's going to be wrong. So, input, switch weapon, we're going to make it tab. And joystick button 2 sounds like it's the wrong thing, because it might be, but we're just not going to conflict with anything, we're fine. Okay, cool. So save scene, save all, save project. Let's see if it actually works. I go in, hit play, hit tab. Good, it works.
See, that's the way I would beat this game, by the way.
Just go for the head immediately.
Yep.
Yeah, of course.
Go for which head?
The
big
giant
head.
one.
Now, are we gonna add it where he bleeds out heads?
Do we have time?
Let's make a build first so that we're safe.
Yeah.
And then and actually
Our
submit
heads
it.
don't
And
attack
then
yet, do they?
oh yeah, let's do that first. Let's just do that really
That
really
needs
quick.
to happen,
Yeah, that
yeah.
needs to happen. So Doom AI, display head, player. It's head AI, right? Head AI.
We don't have audio for that.
That's okay.
AI. It's face AI. Face.
I don't think they need.
We could do the same.
Yeah, I do like that. Yeah. But no, I don't think we should worry about that. Really,
Okay.
I think we should just.
I will.
worry about that
I'm going to give him
damage.
the yeah actually, just because I'm
Okay.
just basically going
Okay,
to grab that
sweet.
from
Or we
the.
can make a very quick nom 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 nom.
They would nom 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 on you. It's too bad that we didn't give them a sound for when they were vomiting up other heads. Like,
Oh yeah, so that's a missed opportunity there.
yeah, oh well.
Yeah, we're too strapped for time. So I need face AI, I need Doom AI, so I can reference it. Doom AI, and what we're adding is I'm going to use the original file, I guess. Hopefully everything's still good. Looks like it. Audio clip length good. So we want to. What was the problem? We want this. Oh, we want them to attack. So we need a damage distance, and we need a damage per second. I guess we need.
Did we want to make it so killing the giant head sends you to the credits instead of going to the box?
I'm gonna leave the box for right now.
Yeah.
So we do the damage distance stuff. This means we need player damage source if we're gonna play the sound. So public audio source, player damage source. Put that next to the hit sounds and stuff. Save, and so that's the damage. I think that's it. I think that's actually all we had to do. So let's now. Oh, distance does not exist in the current context. Oh yeah, that's right, because I had to change this into a float distance equals bam. Use distance twice. Save. And we're going to go into our Jeffrey head, Phil head, and Max head. Wait, no. We need to give them a damage audio source.
Mm-hmm.
So create empty child. Component audio source. I'm just going to copy this, paste it in, paste again. Gonna make sure that they're all at 0, for each person, which they're probably not at this point. I would imagine that Jeffrey's head's okay, but everyone else is messed up.
What?
Am I at 0, 0?
You're at 0. Yeah, see, you're not
That
you're not messed up. So not messed up in the head.
Wake off.
Alright, so we're just gonna do cactus gun. Don't play on wake. And we need to individually, I'm just going to keep it called a game object, who cares? We're just going to go game object. We need that in audio source, game object and audio source, and game object and audio source. And we hit apply, we hit apply, and we hit apply.
Apply.
And so if we hit play now, oh, we should actually, there's one more thing we have to do. So what does the Cactus Man use for his values? Cactus Man uses 2.5 for the damage distance and 2 for the closest distance. Is that what we're...
Cactus Man ain't got no values.
Cactus Man doesn't care.
So...
Cactus Man don't care. Mm-mm.
Should I make these more like the Cactus Man? Because the Cactus Man actually stay further away from us, or do you want to just crowd really close? I'm just going to...
Heads?
Yeah, the heads.
I think they should crowd.
I like the way they were crowding when it
Yeah,
surprised
yeah.
you, so I'm going to say that they should crowd too.
Okay, so they'll have a wider reach, and you can get more of them damaging you at the same time, which is terrifying. So,
Well,
It is the
they
final
are
level.
They are the level. They're like the last level,
Yep.
though, so I'm not too upset about that.
What just happened? They threw me out of the level. I just got tossed out of the level by people. So why weren't we taking any damage? Oh, I didn't change the damage distance. Okay, closest distance is 1. I want the damage distance to be 2. And the damage per second should be...
Well, they did just toss you out. That's
25.
interesting that they
Can I
tossed
change
you.
that on all 3 of them at the same time? Or?
Yeah, probably. So closest distance, damage distance is
2.
2, and damage per second is what, 25?
Yeah.
It's a lot of damage per second.
Yeah, that's very fast.
What did we put on the
Cactus
cactuses? Actually, let's just look.
I think they
Cactus Man.
damage pretty fast too.
Yeah.
Actually.
They
Maybe
currently.
the head should be the cactus damage, and the cactuses should be.
Oh, they
lowered
still
a
do
little bit.
50 damage. That would be why they're still kicking ass.
Oh.
So let's make them 10, and let's make us 25. Does that sound good?
Yeah,
Yes.
I like that.
Okay, so apply. No wonder the cactuses were so dangerous.
Apply.
Apply.
They take you from 100 to 0 in
Cactus
about
Man.
the time it took them to say.
Did you apply the Cactus Man one?
Yeah. Well,
That was appropriate. It was me that said that.
okay.
I think this is
I like how
appropriate.
it sounds like there's 3 people saying it.
Yes.
too.
I like it.
Just because of the.
All right, ship it.
positions
We're calling
and
this a
stuff.
shipped product at this point. So
GMC 1,
build settings. We're going to go to web player. We're going to build and run.
right? GMC 1.
Yeah. What is this game called again?
Did we have
Save our game tester.
Save
That's
our game.
I thought that was instructions.
That too. It's
It's
both.
both.
Desktop save. Oh, we need to change the player settings real quick first too. And we were going to add a mouse lock real quick. Let me just do that. C# script, mouse lock. Update. application.lock dot screen. Screen.lock cursor equals true. Screen.hide cursor show cursor equals false.
And they're gonna start it up real quick. Just I don't think you have to click in that text entry box, right?
You will have to click in that text entry box. So.
Oh whoa!
What happened there?
Oh god, that got turned back on. Why?
It was on the whole time, and for some reason it wasn't affecting us because of our build settings. That's weird. Let's go ahead and fix that real quick on this level at least.
Oh, it's the first-person controller, so it's going to...
Oh, it's going to affect all the levels. Oh, it's because... Wait, no, that doesn't make sense either.
So we'll have to have something that, like on level load, if level is bonus, turn it off.
Why don't we just turn off the redraw thing?
Okay, we got to do it. We just,
yeah, it's just easier this way.
Solid color. We'll make it that gray. Try and keep it consistent.
Yeah, that's fine. I just
project. Yeah, it would have been nice, but yeah, we're beyond that at this point.
This is the fix.
Yeah, this is the last minute.
I mean, we have
fix.
15 minutes. We're still streaming.
Did I just do something really bad?
What?
Why is there 2-player positions here? What was different about this first-person controller that? It's probably fine.
Just run it from the very beginning as a sanity check real quick.
Yeah. We'll do that on the build.
Actually, if you save this and commit it, I'll do that.
Okay, I'm going to do that. Save scene, save all, save project. I'm going to commit this stuff. I've been saying that a lot. So, mouse lock isn't on anything. I'm going to put it on the first-person control. No, I don't want to put it on the first-person controller. I want to put it in something that's in every level.
That's the first-person controller.
Yeah, there's actually one other thing that's in every level, effectively. It's actually not in this level, but we weren't worried about it. So, we're going to go into the very first level. Scenes, title screen, and random manager is what we're going to put it on. Apply, save, scene, save project. If we hit play, do I get a mouse lock? Okay, I get a mouse lock. Oh, wait, we need the mouse.
This is why I
That's
asked
why you said
this.
that. Okay.
Yeah.
So actually, you were right. We do want to put it on the first-person controller. So, first-person controller is in any level. First-person controller, mouse lock, save scene, save project, apply, save scene, whoops, cancel, save scene, save project, play. Okay, mouse is locked.
Never mind, there it is. This is the only real level.
Yeah,
one?
it's true.
The one that you made.
Oh.
The others are test levels that never got more stuff added to them.
It seems like it's working. I'm playing it right now.
Don't have a lot of life. We should see how quickly they're damaging now since you changed those numbers.
Definitely lower,
They are. They're much lower.
because I was able to survive longer.
But they're still... Yeah.
Let them heal you.
Want them to kill me? Okay.
Yeah, let's see these numbers. How quickly they damage you. That's pretty good. Not so fast that you can't get away, and
How would you do that?
That's amazing.
Okay,
Alright,
so
cool.
you can't put your name in a second time. I'm going to call that a C bug.
Wait, it takes you back to that screen before the final screen?
No,
That's because it saves it in
Wait,
the
it
player.
didn't go to the final screen?
It went to the credits and then
screen,
back
but-
to that.
Yeah, it goes back to the start after the credit screen.
Oh, I thought it went to the credits again after the start scene. That was... Never mind.
Oh, I don't think it did. No, it just went to the instructions. It just had a weird background color. It's a C bug. There's a lot of C bugs in this game. Player settings, player settings. I just want to get the name here. It's called Save Our Game. Oh, wait, no. Save Our Game. Pushy Pixels. Save scenes.
Oh my God, we're only
project.
like 10 minutes.
Save project. Build and run. Plug and blocked. We're not plugging it this time. Hello.
What happened?
I don't know. Not letting me type things. Or hit enter. Okay. Well, that's dumb. Glad we tested this. Alright, we're cutting that.
The name?
Yeah, we have to cut it. That's so dumb. Actually, no. Let's see if it happens in the standalone. We'll just do a standalone build and we'll submit that, and then we'll do a web build later.
Okay.
Build and run. We'll just do the Mac OS ones so that we can find out if it works on my computer, but we'll build and we'll submit that. It'll be our proof of concept, whatever. Do it. Build it. Build faster. Whatever it takes. Play. Okay. That works.
Okay.
Yeah, that was the scene, the instructions.
Okay, so good enough. We're gonna submit. We're gonna.
Good enough. We can get to the first enemy.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. It's fully tested. Build.
That's okay, we're
call
outsourcing our testing.
Save our game. It's true. Desktop save. Alright, and then I'm just going to upload this to a place. I'm going to zip it. Zip it up.
If
Copy,
anyone finds any
compress.
bugs that they want us to address, you can find our tester's name in the credits.
Yeah, send all of your bug reports to the tester, and there's name that appears in the credits.
Dropbox.
So basically, you could just put
public.
that bug report right in your.
Uploading will go over to.
Did you check in the last version?
No, I have not. Let me do that.
GMC.
GMC 2. GMC, yeah.
Sweet.
Quit Unity, just make sure that everything actually was in that check-in. Alright, so while that's uploading, we go to vognetwork.com/forum/forums. I'm just going to go into VOGJam, Bucky Pixels. We're going to call this rename it. Edit. Save our game. Completed. Original post below this line. So we completed our game. Say special experience as a tester. There's a game to play, and there's also a game to test. Enjoy. Mac version is here. PC version will be available shortly. Web version delayed due to UI bug. So the Mac version is here. We put our link to copy public link.
Man, that's nice. Dropbox makes that easy, doesn't it?
Yes.
We're going to have to stop the stream, by the way.
Yeah.
In a moment here, right?
Yeah, I'm just going to do one more thing here. View my message. I'm going to ping it. We are done. Yay. Info in description. Submit. And then we are going to really quickly build a Windows version.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah. Open build settings. Build. Oops, we want the Windows version. Build. We make a folder called on the desktop called Save Our Game Windows. And yeah, save our game. Alright, and then we take this.
That was fast.
Press 2 items. Save our game. Windows. We'll test it after we